The last prophet of Islam, Prophet Muhammad, was born in the year 570 CE in the city of Mecca. His father's name was Abdullah and his mother's name was Amina. His father passed away before he was born. At the age of 6, he lost his mother as well. After that, his grandfather Abdul Muttalib took care of him. When his grandfather passed away, his uncle Abu Talib became his guardian. From a young age, he was known for his honesty and truthfulness. People called him Al-Amin, meaning the trustworthy. As a young man, he worked in trade. His honesty in business made him respected by everyone. At the age of 25, he married Khadija. She was a respected and wise woman who supported him throughout his life. At the age of 40, he used to spend time in deep reflection in the cave of Hira. One day, he received the first revelation. The angel Gabriel came to him and said, "Read in the name of your Lord." This was the beginning of his prophethood. He then began calling people to worship one God, Allah. However, the people of Mecca opposed him. They rejected his message and began to persecute the early Muslims. Many of his followers were tortured and some were even killed. Despite this, the Prophet remained patient and continued to spread the message of Islam. For safety, some Muslims migrated to Ethiopia. Later came a very difficult time known as the Year of Sorrow. During this year, his beloved wife Khadija and his uncle Abu Talib passed away. This was a time of great hardship for him. After this, Allah honored him with the journey of Miraj. He traveled to the heavens and the 5 daily prayers were made obligatory. In 622 CE, by the command of Allah, the Prophet and his followers migrated to Medina. This event is known as the Hijrah. In Medina, he established a peaceful and just society. He created brotherhood between the migrants and the local people. Islam began to spread rapidly. During this time, several important battles took place. These included the Battle of Badr, the Battle of Uhud, and the Battle of the Trench. Each of these battles tested the faith of the believers. In 630 CE, the Prophet achieved a historic victory. He returned to Mecca and conquered the city. Instead of taking revenge, he forgave everyone. This showed his mercy and noble character. After this, all idols were removed from the Kaaba. The worship of one God was firmly established. In 632 CE, the Prophet performed his farewell pilgrimage. During this pilgrimage, he delivered an important message to humanity. He taught that all people are equal. No Arab is superior to a non-Arab, and no white person is superior to a black person. In the same year, Prophet Muhammad passed away at the age of 63. His life was a perfect example of truth, justice, mercy, and patience. Even today, his teachings continue to guide millions of people around the world.